Today's video is going to be a cooking video, the first of many. A turkey mince stir fry, excellent post-workout meal. Drop what kind of recipes you would like to see in the future in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And also, stick around to the end if you'd like a wee freebie as usual. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a turkey mince stir fry. I'm having this as a post-workout meal. It's an excellent idea for a post-workout meal. Good lean source of protein from the turkey mince. Some Basmati rice in there, so a good quick absorbing carbohydrate. Some nice veg as well for some micronutrients. Stay tuned. Firstly, hopefully you can see me, I'm going to weigh out some Basmati rice. I'm actually going to weigh out 3 days worth, so I've got some made up in advance and it's there when I need it. So that's going to be 180 grams dry. That'll be 3 servings at 60 grams each. I'm also going to add in some salt. Just out the gym, so if you're wondering why I'm wearing a vest, that's why. Then stick that on. Also, cat floating about. So, all I'm going to do is add in some boiling water and stick that on. And that'll go on for 10 to 12 minutes. And then that's you got 3 days worth prepared as well. I normally make these in advance. I'm a wee bit kind of short-handed this week for some reason, so I'm going to make some rice up for the next couple of days, so I've got it ready to go. Always do that in advance. It's a great tip and it saves you a lot of hassle, especially when it's something as simple as rice. If you're cooking one batch takes the exact same amount of time as cooking 3. It makes total sense to do so. See you in the next clip. Next thing I'm going to do is weigh out the turkey mince. So I'm going for 1/3 of a packet. So that is 170 grams. $170 bang on. That's 1/3 of a packet. That'll do me 3 servings and last 3 days. And that's the turkey mince weighed out. That's my protein source. Good amount of protein from that. It'll be at least around 40 grams, I think. Can't remember the exact figures. I'll post the figures for the meal at the end of the video, and we'll see what happens. Rice is now boiling away nicely, and I'll stick the timer on for that for 10 minutes. Also want to keep that rice moving every couple of minutes. Just give it a wee stir, just to stop it sticking. Just keep it moving every so often. Again, very simple. Just give it a wee stir. And that'll keep it going, stop it sticking, clumping together. Also got all my other ingredients laid out, all my spices, all my sauces, veg, things like that. So what else is going into this stir fry? Some pre-mixed vegetable stir fry, some peas, and some sweet corn. Also I've got some onion powder, some garlic, some chilli powder. Cat's going mental through there. Some paprika, some salt and some pepper. You'll see that all laid out. And good. The rice is boiled, as you see. Nicely done there. So that's in 10 minutes. Rice is cooked. Now I'm going to weigh it out, divide it into 3 portions and set one aside for the stir fry. Next stage is to spray the pan. Sprayed my pan there. And we've got what cat's meowing away in the background. Got our rice here that I cooked up. The other 2 portions are in the fridge. So we've let that pan heat up nicely. I'm going to throw in turkey mince. You just want to break it up a wee bit. it'll come off. Then we're also going to throw in some peas. Finish that bag off, might as well. Just up the 50 minutes further. Then we're going to add in some seasonings. So we've got some salt, some black pepper. I've also put a fleece on because the house is fucking freezing. And we've got some garlic. Look at that. Leave that out because we'll put it in again. Some onion powder. Some chilli powder. That's obviously to your liking. And the paprika as well. And then just give that a good mix about. Peat will fly like that. So that's the first stage. You see there? That's the first stage of that. So that's been cooking for a couple of minutes now. I'm going to now add in half a bag of the stir-fry veg and half a can of sweet corn, shorted. Okay, just give that another mix about. And another season, some salt, pepper, some garlic, chilli, onion and paprika. That's it, done with the seasoning, so they can go away. And wash all that. And we're just going to let that cook for probably about 2 minutes or so, and then stir in the rice, the soy and the sweet chilli. So that was cooking for a couple of minutes there. I'm now going to add in the rice we cooked up. And then just break that up into the stir fry. Also going to add in some soy sauce. I tend to leave the sweet chilli to the end and just stir that in once the heat's off. That way the flavour kind of, I don't know, it sits well on the, the stir fry. So everything's cooked now, I really just want to heat that rice through. Again, just keep it moving every couple of minutes. This is a really good post-workout meal if you're looking to add some size. And then take the heat off, put a sweet chilli over it. I'm bulking, so I don't need to track the sauce, or I don't need to measure the sauce, sorry. But I'll track it in the macros and put the macros for this meal at the end of the video. And I'll leave them down in the description as well. So that's that done. Let's finish that up. pan away. That's that done. So this is my post-workout meal. Next day, and that's what it looks like. Easy, simple stir fry. Took about 10 minutes start to finish. After that, with the rice and stuff, maybe a wee bit longer, sorry, about 15 minutes. Pretty easy, very simple, great post-workout meal. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. That was my first cooking video attempt, so hopefully there'll be more to come in the future. Again, get your suggestions down below. If there's anything you'd like to see, anything you'd like to cook up, feel free to add it in and I'll more than happily film a recipe. I've got loads over on my Instagram, Facebook, so head over there and view them if you haven't already. And also, as I said, there would be a freebie at the end. So if you are struggling with nutrition, since this is a cooking video, drop me a comment below and I will send over my muscle building nutritional document. This is a 15-page document that I dish out to all my clients and things as well. There's a lot of value in it. Realise my hair's all over the place here. There's a lot of value in it, and it should help you push you in the right direction with regards to your muscle build nutrition. Also, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and if you want some more.